Electoral Commission, in company of the National Security Advisor to the President, Malam Nuhu.
Election is a multi-stakeholder activity. Although INEC drives the process, a secure environment for the conduct of peaceful election is the responsibility of the security agencies working in partnership with the Commission. The synergy enabled us to overcome many of the challenges prior to the 2023 general election, including the targeted attacks on INEC offices nationwide. Indeed, the concern that the perennial insecurity in some parts of the country before the election may make our deployment of personnel and materials and consequently the conduct of polls impossible did not materialize. We wish to place on record our appreciation to the security agencies and other members of Hitches for the largely peaceful conduct of the polls. At the same time,
what have happened for you to do better. The meeting that we are going to have today is all part of it. We want to assure you we are going to be ready. I've heard the names and the agencies that are here. We believe that we are in a position to guarantee safety of Nigerians and INEC staff to conduct peaceful elections. That I can assure you will be done. We'll be by your side to work for Nigerians. We will work extra. Whatever, even I think going forward, we probably will even have to be meeting more and more so that we continue to improve, learn more, and then deliver better.